Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In the previous video we discussed about class methods. So in this video we are going to discuss about static methods. Static methods are more similar to simple functions that we have discussed in simple Python programming language. The difference between those functions and the static methods is only the decorator static method, and pretty much everything is same except the decorator. So let's start by creating a static method. Static methods are created the same way we have created the class methods. So I will add the decorator static methods, and after that we have to define a method, and I will name it anything. I will name it print something, print underscore something, and in the empty parentheses I can choose any argument, or if I wish I can leave it empty. So I will write here string without G so that it might not be confusing. We will try both ways, firstly without G and secondly with G. So string without G, and in this method I will write print and in the empty parentheses I will write string without G. So now it's time to call the method. Let's remove this print statement. I will write here students dot print something, and in the empty parentheses my name is Mike. So this string that we have written, my name is Mike, if I place it instead of string in the print something method, the result would be same. After running the code you will see that my name is Mike is the output. So that was our test without G. Let's try with a G. Now let's run the code and we will see that the result is same. So in this video I told you about static methods and how they are created and executed. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.